Hi guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a bag charm. So the first thing that we're going to want to do, I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. So we're going to start by attaching the tassel to the bottom of this chain. So it's got a loop at the top, and I've also got a 6mm jump ring here. So we're just going to, it's already open, so I'm just going to open it just a little bit wider. So I'm going to put a pair of pliers on either side, and I'm just going to gently twist that open. Then I'm going to attach my tassel, and then I'm going to attach my chain. And then same thing, I'm going to put my pliers back on either side of the jump ring, and then I'm just going to gently twist that back together. Then next, I'm going to want to go ahead and attach this cross to one of the lobster clasps. So this one, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the bail that's on there. And then I've got a 4mm jump ring for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and attach the cross. And then I'm going to put on my lobster clasp. And then I'm going to put my pliers right back here. And then I'm going to twist that back into place. And then that one's ready to be attached. Next, I'm going to do the moon. So it's lapis, it's faceted. And I'm going to use this stainless ball pen. Right up through there. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and put it right at the top. I'm going to bend that and make a 90-degree angle and put my pliers right there. And I'm just going to twist that around and make a little loop. And then once I have my loop, I'm just going to go ahead and attach my jump ring on there. And you're just going to hold your pliers to the loop and then just twist that around a couple times until it. And then take your pliers and cut off the excess wire. So this lapis right here has a bail and it's open, so I don't need to cut it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and just gently take that off, and that way I can reuse that bail later if I would like to. And then I'm going to use a 4mm jump ring. These are already open. So I'm just going to put my pliers on one side. And put my pliers on either side. And then I'm just going to gently twist that into place. And then I'm going to want to go ahead and attach this one to the top. Looks like I got an extra one there. So I've got a 4mm jump ring. I'm just going to hold that with my pair of pliers. And I'm going to attach the end of the chain on here. And then I'm going to attach the jump ring. And then I'm going to put my pliers back on either side and just gently twist that back into place. And then you have this. So this piece will wrap around your bag. You can hook it to the handle or a buckle or whatever you've got. And then you'll just clasp this through here. Oh, let me get through both of them. So this piece will go around your bag. You'll have a tassel. And then we can just go ahead and attach these little guys. And you can put them wherever you would like on here. You can add more. This is a fun way to get friends and family started with a charm, and then you can add on to it different things. So this one's just super simple. It's got the tassel and 3 little dangles. And it's super simple. And all the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.